Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and his son Yahusha HaMashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo, and I'm going to do a trade recap on my trades on META, Tesla, and AMD. Alright, so let's start with the US dollar. Let's see here. So this is the money zone on the 4-hour chart. So we had a higher value relationship. Value area low was down here, now it's up here. I was looking yesterday for some support buying right here. We got the support buying in the ETH, but got up to the puck level right here, and because of Powell and his speech, got this breakdown of the value area low, came down here, and now we push back up. So let's look at this on a smaller time frame. Alright, so the 5-minute chart, excuse me. See, the money zone is now in a higher value relationship. Value area high was down here. Now the value area low is up at this level at 12,804. That's the value area high right there. So in this uptrend, it's suggesting higher value relationship on seeking higher prices. Whereas this was supposed to be like the support level, but because of the speech, broke down below this level, but now we're back up into this level, right? So the trend isn't broken, it's still an uptrend. Nothing major really happened, so it could have a continuation from this level right here. So stock market's still in jeopardy of going down with this pushing up. All right, so let's see here. This is actually the anchored annual VWAP, so we haven't even touched this. This is the upper band right here, so we just below the upper band, but still above VWAP. Right, so let's see here. Alright, so looking at the VIX, the pivot levels on the VIX, these are the central floor pivots. We have a higher value relationship, narrower value. Excuse me, I have a little cold. So we broke above this pivots, had the pivots as support. We pull back, touch the pivots, with the speech, pull all the way down, push all the way up, pull all the way down again. So that's real volatile right there. So it's a crazy trading day. Let's see, let's go down, let's go here to the E-mini Russell. Right, so we had this lower value relationship on the money zone. Yesterday's value area low was up here. Now the value area high is all the way down at 1991.0. Yesterday's value area low was approximately 2002.7. So that's a lower value relationship, suggesting that we're seeking lower value. And let's see what happened here. We have this nice downtrend, so it's going with the trend, suggesting lower value. We kept below this value area low for a while, touched the upper band of VWAP, bounced on Powell's speech, but we're still holding below lower VWAP. So this trend is firmly intact still, right? Right, let's see here on the ES1, we had this double top on the ES1. right? Lower high. We're pushing down. We had this let's see here. We had this higher value, overlapping higher value relationship on this money zone on this day here. Let's see what day was that. That was on Monday. Well, yesterday. So we had this. Let's see. This was on Friday. So on Monday we had this overlapping higher value, and the trend just it broke, right? Because it was supposed to probably open around here and at least try and attack this level right here, but we broke down on Monday, and we had this lower value money zone come into play here. So that's suggesting that we're gonna have a continuation lower, right? So let's see here. So Powell's speech came in. Again, it's a disrupting factor. So we hit support. We were kind of teetering around this value area low. Found support at the POC, pushed up, pulled back down, and had this reversal. So real topsy-turvy on the ES1. Let's see here. Same kind of action on NQ. Right, so we had that overlapping money zone on Monday, rejection of that, and now we had this overlapping lower value on the money zone, broke down value area lower a little bit, and had the topsy-turvy movement with Powell's speech. Let's see here. Right, so this was like my first trade on Meta. So Meta had a similar kind of setup to like the ES1 and the market in general. Slightly stronger, I would say. And I've been watching Meta for weakness for a while now, but it had this big push up, right? So it's kind of bullish right now, so I was looking for it to start failing, and especially with the kind of change of trend right here, had these lower highs come into play, had the sell-off on Monday, and I was trying to get some continuation today. Let's see. Let me make this bigger. Right, so in this overlapping lower value money zone relationship, I was trying to get a continuation lower here, and went short below this value area low on the first 5-minute candle. So let me go to my trading platform so I can show some entries and exits. Right, so had this entry right here at 185.41. Broke even on that trade at 185.85. Went short again on this pullback here, 185.24. Had to stop out again at 186.39.40, somewhere around there. Tried the short again here at 185.95. Had to stop out at around 186.70. Took another short. This was my last short at 186.51 and broke even on that trade. So after getting chopped up till around 10 o'clock, first half an hour, so I was in the hole in the first half an hour of trading, I decided to walk away from Meta because Meta wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. So let's see here. I went to Tesla after that. So let's see here. Right, so at 10 o'clock went short on Tesla because Tesla was actually moving lower. Right, so in the first half an hour Tesla was moving lower, so I was trying to get the continuation there. Let's see at what levels I actually took that short. One second here, let me throw on the paper trading. I think I did some simultaneous trades, right? So I could show that. Right, so took this breakdown here. Oh, so right, so that's the value area low breakdown. This value area low is well, the relationship is an inside value relationship, right? So that was the value area high right there. That's the value area low. Yesterday, this was the value area low. That was the value area high. So we have an inside relationship, which is indicative of either like sideways movement or a breakout, right? So right, so with it picking a direction, selling off at the open, I took the breakdown here, value area low, and let's see here. Let's go back to my trading platform. Right, so took the short here at 192.88, kind of broke even, small loss again. Took another short here, broke even that trade. Took another short, slight break even. Took a long, that worked, right? That pushed up a little bit because I was thinking at this point we're gonna get the reversal back up to, you know, the open and slightly above, I guess. And then it just pulled back on me. So I didn't really take any profits up here because I wanted to kind of see it run. So I just let that play out and took the break even stop out right here. So I think around this time, what time? Yeah, that was around when Powell was about to make his speech. So I decided to stop trading and then just look at activity, right? So I went to right, I went over to AMD, right? So let me just go over to trade and view here so we can see some levels on AMD. All right, so let's see here. AMD had a lower value relationship. Value area low was on the money zone. Value area low was up here yesterday. This is now the value area high. Value area low is down here at 83.22. Value area high is at 84.39. Right, so lower value relationship. Looking for some sells on this for the continuation. Let's see, for the continuation of that trend down, right? So it broke this uptrend, changed behavior, started moving down on Monday. Lower value relationship on the money zone. So we're looking for shorts, right? Let's see here. So that's why I came over here. Like I was looking at this run up while Powell was speaking, and I thought to myself, well, let me start looking for some reversals on like a what I consider a weak stock, right? So let's see here. Right, so these are the floor pivots. So this is floor pivot R1. We didn't get up to R1. We just kind of broke above the money zone, the value area high. Wait 1 second. Right, so we found support at the value area low. when Powell started speaking, we pushed up above the value area high, but we didn't really get anywhere like anywhere close to like the floor pivot R1. And let me take a look at the camera rulers for a second. 1 second here. Right, so the camera ruler setup was overlapping lower values. So in these kind of setups, I'm looking for shorts around like R4 and R3. So we got up to above R4 and started to reject above R4. So let's see, I took the breakdown of R4 right there at 85.17. Well, that was the paper trade. So let me go over to the trading platform to see. Right, so took this short here at 85.23. right, which was a R4 breakdown on the camera rulers, and I just kind of trailed my stop down, looked out for any like reversal patterns and stuff like that. Started to see reversal here, took this stop partial right here at around, let's see what that was, partial like I think about 65% of my position here at 83.33. So the short was from 85.21, partial out 65% at 83.34, and then all out here at 83.12. And then it just, as you can see, it just reversed right here. So let's see where it got up to. So it's back above our R4, and it's still bearish. I would say it's still bearish. Let's see here. Right, so it's back above this money zone level here, this value area high level, which is, I guess it's changing behavior right now. So even though it's in a downtrend, we getting like a change in behavior here. So you could start seeing some bullish activity if it holds above here, closes above like these high levels right here, and tomorrow you'd probably get like a higher value relationship money zone, or maybe a overlapping higher value relationship, get some support around here at this previous level value area high, and probably start moving up to try and catch some of these levels up here. Right, start trying to get back to some of these levels. Right, so probably tomorrow around here will be support for a continuation higher. If not, it'll just break and could head lower or just move sideways, you know. So yeah, that last AMD trade that pulled me back into like a green day. So the first trades on Meta, that really messed me up. So was it a good trade or not? I don't know. Like this trade here, it was just looking for continuation. So it was a cool setup. I stopped out and kept the risk management good. So I don't think it was a bad trade, just looking for some continuation lower. And it got the reversal and it started to move up. So it went against me, you know. So yeah, that's the trades for today. Small green, had to recover some losses from Meta, and then was successful on AMD. Yeah, and that's it, man. So tomorrow is another day. It's Malak Shalomo, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.